Go to the dashboard, scroll down to the Compute section, click on Cloud Instance. Copy public IP of your server. Search for RDP on your local system and open it. Enter your server IP along with the port. For the username, enter administrator and fill the password, then click OK. Press enter and accept the certificate by clicking yes. Congratulations. You are inside the Windows server now, so feel free to do whatever you need. You can install any required software, set up a web app, or configure anything you want. Let us know if you need any help with the setup or have questions at support@utho.com. We're here to assist you every step of the way. Your success is our priority. Thanks for watching your video.